Hi guys, so this reading is for all the Libra people and we will be checking what is happening in the month of August. So let's begin. Let's see what is happening for Libra Sun Moon Rising in the month of August. So we have truth be told, to be fair, new life, and we have flexible. So you are kind of entering into a new phase. And also guys, this reading is going to be in Hindi and English mix. So yeah, of course. So yes, firstly I do feel that you need to sort out few things into your life, because wisdom is sitting on your head. Okay, wisdom is going to sit on your head. It seems Saturn is sitting on your head. Okay, and when Saturn sits on your head, Saturn is going to teach you a lot of lessons. If you're looking for guru, just see that Saturn is your guru right now. If you're looking for a teacher, if you're looking for any kind of wisdom or anything, take whatever wisdom that there is from Saturn. Read about what Saturn says. Read about what Shanidev says. Okay, the principles of Shanidev, the ethics of Shanidev, the principles of Saturn. That is exactly when you will be able to find that equilibrium into your life. Right now I do have a feeling that you are kind of lacking equilibrium. Probably you think that you are following spirituality, or you think that you have some sense of awakening, some sense of wisdom or stuff like that, but that is not true. It seems that you're wearing a very sparkly mask. Okay, it seems that you're wearing a very beautiful mask, and it seems that it seems to be real, but it is not real. So it's time to wake up from that dream. Okay, it's time to wake up to a new life, and this new life is also about being flexible. Some of you are not that flexible. Okay, you may feel that now I'll tell you where your flexibility comes. You will be flexible only at the time, or only in situations where your peace is disturbed. Okay, so for you, flexibility is like, if my peace is being disturbed, I'm going to walk away. अगर मेरा peace खराब होता है तो मैं इस situation से walk away कर जाऊंगी या कर जाऊंगा, right? Other than that, everything is. And for you, peace is if someone is not triggering you. If someone triggers you, that becomes a chaos in your mind. Okay, but triggers will always lead you towards truth. Triggers will tell you what your truth is. What do you need to work on? Where do you need to uh, you know head in your life? Peace is not कि कोई मुझे ट्रिगर ना करे या कुछ भी ऐसा. That is not peace. Even if you have triggers, you deal with the triggers peacefully. You deal with the problems peacefully. You deal with your relationship problems peacefully. You deal with the chaos in your life peacefully. This is what being flexible is. Okay, so let's clarify what the first card means. The first card says truth be told. So let's see, what do we have? We have temperance, we have justice, and we have 8 of pentacles. I do feel that you have probably been working on some kind of a heartbreak. Okay, and there's a possibility that you think that you have managed with the heartbreak. You think that you have walked away from this heartbreak, but this is not true. You are still trying to deal with it. Emotions are still coming up, memories are still coming up, that person is still coming up on your mind, and you feel that you are giving yourself justice. You feel that you have done your best in the situation. You feel that you have just done everything with all your will and wish, and nothing can be done now. But if you really ask yourself, you will know that you have just been trying to be sneaky with yourself. Okay, your mind is trying to become sneaky with you, and all your sneakiness and all your distractions and all your all your what do you call it, all your mind games and everything, it's all getting projected onto your work. Okay, you are making yourself busy, you are doing something, you are handling more and more projects, you are asking for work and this and that, and that's not because you are passionate about your work. At least whatever you do give your 100%. But here I don't see that passion in your work. I don't see that you really want to work. I just see that your mind wants to be busy at something productive. Okay, let's look at the second card, which is to be fair. We have Four of Wands, we have Six of afraid of giving. You are afraid of giving. There's some of you are afraid of giving while others are afraid of receiving also. Okay, so whatever it may be, in a relationship we need both giving and receiving, and you are afraid of that. Some of you are afraid of getting married, some of you are afraid of getting into a relationship, some of you are afraid of giving also. And I just feel that the only reason why you are afraid of giving is also because when you receive, you take a lot of burden onto yourself. So the people who take a lot of burden when it comes to receiving, they will always think twice or thrice when it comes to giving, and vice versa. Okay, so that is something that needs to be healed. Okay, and another thing about this to be fair situation, we also got the card of Moon. You know, when in the initial in the beginning of this reading, I said that you think that you are healing something, or that you have healed something, but that is just a dream. After that phase in August, you might realize that you have done your best to heal yourself, you have done your best to, you know, do everything, and yet you are at the same page. Yet there's that illusionment, yet there's this disappointment, yet again there's some kind of veil. Okay, some kind of confusion, some disagreement, some sense of disagreement is there, that you are not agreeing with the reality, you're not agreeing with your life. Let's clarify what this new life is. Four of Cups, Five of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune. You are really bored of your life. Okay, you feel nothing new is happening, the same old story, you're doing the same old things, you're not being able to do anything new. But I do feel that universe is telling you something new is definitely coming up, something new will be sent into your life, and it will come as an awakening. Okay, this also involves your spiritual health, it involves your spiritual prosperity, it involves spiritual protection, it involves more of spiritual awareness. So now when the time is going to change, it is not going to change just for your materialistic things. Now is the time when the time is calling you to become more spiritual, to become more aware of yourself, to become more aware of your journey. Okay, and without that your life is not going to move ahead. Okay, and you might feel that, you know, this is not something that you're looking for, this is not something that you might want, or some of you may have other problems at the moment where you may feel that, oh, I don't have time for meditation, I have other things to do, I have other goals to fulfill, I have this financial responsibility and blah blah blah. But your life is not moving ahead without spirituality, that is for sure. Okay, let's see what is this flexibility all about. Three of Cups, the Tower, the Devil. So, this flexibility, I think you have a very good sense of being flexible when it comes to your friends and your social life. Okay, maybe we can have a cheat day. Okay, I might want to drink socially. Okay, I can go and hang out with my friends and stuff like that. So, when it comes to being flexible, this is a big no for you. You do not have to be flexible in these things. Some of you are being too flexible with your friends, some of you are being too understanding with your friends, some of you are being too understanding with the alcohol or drugs and this and that. But this is a flexibility that needs to end, and you are going to experience this, because you will see that you might have this thought, you may experience this thought in the month of August, that I'm completely tired and exhausted when it comes to me being flexible with the world, me being flexible with the people around me. Okay, getting too much into someone's energy, letting other people into your energy, all of this is really toxic for you. All of this is really unhealthy for you. Your mind is controlling you like anything, and you think that you are controlling your life. My love, that's not true at all. That is your reading. I hope it helps. See you next time.